In this video, we are going to be looking at Grifform's custom shower pan's trench drain cover options. Grifform offers two different styles of trench drain covers: concealed drain cover or perforated drain cover. Grifform's concealed drain cover is a solid removable cover with outlined cuts which direct water toward the drain. Grifform's perforated drain cover has perforated angled cuts which direct water toward the drain. The trench drain cover can be easily removed and cleaned to allow drain access. This style of shower pan drain can be added on to any Grifform custom shower pan shape and specified to exact drainage location.